In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Revolut using your phone. So the first thing we need to do is just open up the Revolut application, and then you need to scroll down and select cards. Now, before you can start using your phone to pay with Revolut, you need to make sure you have a virtual card enabled. So you can do this just by clicking on Add New, clicking on Virtual, and then clicking on the Get Card for Free button just to go and get yourself a virtual card. Now, once you have this, you can see it in my cards list here. What we need to do is head out of the Revolut application, and we're now going to head over to the settings page on your phone. From the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Apps, and then using the search box here, type in Wallet, and then click on the Wallet application. Now, underneath payment cards, you just need to click on Add Card, and then from the bottom here, you should see this section where it says From Apps on your iPhone. So you can just click on Revolut like so, sign in to your Revolut account, and from here you can add either your virtual or physical card. For this tutorial, I'm just going to add my virtual one here and press continue, then click on next in the top right hand side, and just like that we have now added this card to our Apple Wallet. So all you simply need to do now to start using this is to double click the side button on your iPhone, and then from here you can start using and paying with your Revolut. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.